Who missed the vlogs? I missed the vlogs. You guys missed the vlogs. So guess what's back? The vlogs. I figured I'd vlog today because today is Monday, February 26th. And even though I'm probably not gonna post this video until either I might post the day. It's only 1:19 exactly. It literally just turned 1:19 as soon as I said it's only 1:19. But I was just in the middle of writing down my list for baking stuff, and it's pretty long, and I don't know if I'm gonna get all this stuff on the list. But I'm probably gonna need it because if I can't talk about it. But I actually have a list of things, 4 things that I'm gonna bake. Wednesday is gonna be my baking day. I'm gonna be pre-recording a whole bunch of baking videos. Only 4, but I mean it's still a whole bunch. Some of the things that I'm gonna bake will be pre-baked before I start recording. Like I have like a Pokemon cake, a gingerbread cupcake, gingerbread cookies, and this is one that I actually wanted to do last, so you guys don't think I try to celebrate what's it called, Valentine's Day, which is why, because Valentine's Day is days ago, weeks ago almost. And so I was thinking I should make I wanted to make like a strawberry heart cake and like add like some like strawberry jam on top of it to make it taste good. And I'm so excited. And I'm so excited to be eating. I'm actually really excited. I'm more excited to be baking these things on a baking video more than I am to eat all of these things. And I was kind of upset because I was like, I wanted to do something gingerbread, but I also have to do something Pokemon things for Pokemon Day coming up, and I was like, that's it. Gingerbread pick. I was gonna do it. I'm gonna do it gingerbread peppermint cake for Pokemon Day, and I was gonna decorate it with like the red food coloring with the icing, and I'm just super excited for Pokemon Day to come up. It's actually today is the 26th. It's tomorrow. It's freaking tomorrow. I'm gonna have to do a video, so I'm probably gonna after this done, I'm gonna post it today, and then I'm going to record a video for Pokemon Day, and I'm gonna post that video tomorrow, and then I'm gonna tomorrow. That's probably gonna be the only video you're gonna see from me tomorrow. And then on Wednesday, I will record. I will go shopping. I will probably get. I don't know. I'm starting to think that I'm getting into Genesis on Wednesday, so I'll record that video on Wednesday, and then I will post it on Thursday, and then I will also record my baking Pokemon cake on Wednesday, and then post it on Wednesday. So I have a lot of things to do. I have a lot of things, and I'm trying to limit things to do all in one day. But I mean, hey, I know who wanted to start doing these YouTube videos. This is what I gotta do. But I gotta take care of life first. Which means my room. Because it's starting to look better, but it still feels a little bit like a hot mess. So, what am I gonna do this vlog? I don't know. I have 38 minutes of space. This may be a little bit of a long vlog today. Because I'm just bored. I don't know what to do. And everybody's complaining. Like, Kane is complaining about, like, how regular vlogs from, like, what's it called? I forgot the name. Their vlogs, I forgot the name. Their vlogs are, like, 20 minutes long, 23 minutes long. So, this video is probably going to be a little bit long. I wanted to try to do like a live stream today, but I'm probably going to go live on Instagram instead of YouTube, because I don't know how to go live on YouTube. I only know how to go live on Instagram. And I'm probably just gonna, I don't know, today's just gonna be a chill out day. And so it's tomorrow, and then Wednesday is the big day that we have been waiting for so long. I'm finally gonna go baking shopping and get a whole bunch of baking stuff. I'm probably gonna record that. We're gonna go to Michael's, and I'm gonna get some baking items of Wilton's. I want to get this big tub of icing that Wilton has, because I mean, if you can ice a whole cake using a small thing of icing that you can get from Betty Crocker, then I'm pretty sure I can bake like a whole bunch of cakes with the icing that you get for the big thing of icing that you get from Wilton. So I'm like, oh, this is perfect, because I have a lot of cake mix. Like, I have a funfetti. Let me show you guys my list. It's ginger, molasses, brown sugar, flour, funfetti cake mix, big tub of ice, Wilton icing, lemons, powdered sugar, food coloring, strawberry cake mix, cake flour, and cocoa powder. Don't really need the cake flour, don't really need the cocoa powder, so I'm just going to take these things off. So I can make my list a little bit shorter, so everything that I do have on my list, I can get, because I mean, gotta get everything on my list. So I'm just going to take this stuff off. Oh, can't find a pencil. But I mean, I don't really want to spend this entire video yapping about baking video. Let's get up and do something. I want to show you guys something. I'm pretty sure I've already made a video about this, but I am in love with GOT7. And I have a badge. So whenever I get like a GOT7 book bag, a GOT7 shirt, I'm going to wear this all over the place. Now, I was going to take it outside, but I'm like, no, do not take it outside. Because guess what? I will lose it. And then guess what? Keno will take it, and then guess what? He's going to act like he knows GOT7, but he doesn't. But I'm just going to try to... Oh, no, I forgot that it does that. So, I'm in love with this thing. Oh, my God. I love GOT7. I love GOT7. I absolutely love them. I'm going to, like, put this... I don't want to poke the hole in my finger. I'd rather poke a hole in my shirt than my finger. So, it's going to, like... try to do that and then see. Hopefully it sticks. Then what you want to do after that is I think you're supposed to put the holder on. Oh no! No, no! No, 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 no! Oh no! Oh jeez! No! No. I mean, at least my badge is still on. What? No! Gotta pause the video. Oh no! I can't find the holder. Oh no. Where's the little... Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. I'll find out something. Phew, found it. Thank Jesus. Okay, so now I gotta keep this next to me, and this is what we're gonna do. This is what we're gonna do. And then I think you're supposed to put the holder on. Like that. And voila, I'm wearing my GOT7 pin. And I think I'll just keep this on. Because I think the entire video, I think feeling I'm not baking anything, so I just follow the icing and the cake powder, and then I don't end up burning it and baking it. No, I'm just gonna take it off. It feels kind of uncomfortable. I'm not wearing an undershirt. Oh jeez, I don't want to poke myself in the heart. So we're gonna put this back on a little paper, and then I'm gonna carry on with my day. Oh no, wrong spot to put. I'm just gonna put this on here, and here we go. Alright, GOT7 pin. I'm really bored today, so I'm probably just gonna play some Pac-Man. Maybe some Magic Tiles. I only do one round on Magic Tiles though, and that's the snowflakes thingy, snow, whatever. And goes like dun 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 dun. Actually, I'm just do this. People always say they need to record sideways so it shows the whole entire video, so that's what I want to do. This phone, it takes forever. It takes a long time to load. I was thinking if you guys saw my video that I posted either yesterday or later today or earlier today, whenever I post this video. I don't want to know about the daily discount. Shh. Hurry up. I don't want to get a cut. Oh, thank you. Like, golly. But, yeah. What was I on before? I was talking about... how slow my phone was, yeah. Oh, yeah, and another phone. I was talking about... I was thinking... What? I was thinking I should do like a a Galaxy S9 cake, and I'm gonna make it like just a vanilla cake with black icing. Oh, I'm so excited. It's not, or maybe some cookies, I don't know. But I am excited for some baking videos coming out. But first things first, Wednesday, Pokemon baking video about Pokemon Day coming up. And I need to post a video about Pokemon Day coming up after that. And, I gotta record it today and then post it tomorrow, since tomorrow is the actual Pokemon Day. So, life of being, I know what I should do. I should do a day in the life, Brandon Shepherd. But then again, I'm not really that famous. I only have 50 subscribers. But hey. Oh my god. I'm gonna pause this video because I wish I don't get a copyright strike because I'm listening to this music. It cheated! It lagged! Cheater! It cheated. And like, I'm probably just gonna get some things that are not even on my list. Like, I'm probably gonna get some stuff from the Rosanna Pacino baking line. Like, I wanted to get the little gummies and the little liners, like little cupcake line, not cupcake liners, but like little cupcake or like icing decorations. Oh, so excited! I want to get some gingerbread accessories. Probably gonna get some like. I'm just so excited. I'm so excited. I'm probably not going to record all the cooking videos all in one day. Probably just record. First things first, the most important one is the Pokemon Day one. Actually, I might be able to record two of them on Wednesday. So I wanted to record the making of gingerbread sibling gingerbread cookies on the same day as the Pokemon cake. That's probably not going to happen though. This video is going to be 23 minutes. Yay! Nobody really cares. Do you guys think I should do like a pancake art challenge with somebody? Like do a collaboration? I think the only YouTuber that I know is my friend. That is my friend. But my friend's cousin. But I mean, me and him aren't really that close, and I mean, he doesn't really come in my house. I don't know where he lives. I think he lives in Philly. Either way, I'm definitely not coming to his house. Tomorrow cannot come quick enough, because tomorrow is the last day before we go baking shopping. Caden, Christopher, where are they? Probably playing the Xbox right now. What you guys doing?
Drawing.
What you drawing, Caden? Pac-Man? Sonic?
Nope.
Pac-Man? Mario?
Nope.
Sonic?
Nope.
What is that?
Look at this.
I don't know what that is.
Pac-Man.
I said Pac-Man, you said no.
I didn't say anything. You said Pac-Man.
Oh. What are you drawing, Caden? Let me, Webby.
I'm about to draw Pac-Man now.
Oh. They like to draw. They love to draw. Oh, well, you guys are drawing. I'm hungry, so I'm gonna look for something to eat. Webby, there's no way you're hungry. Maybe, Caden, but you had 2 bowls of oatmeal. I'm gonna make a salad. Oh my god. I can go buy the cookie with the salad in this video. Hey guys, this is Grace and today I'm going to do a cooking video. Today I'm going to be making a salad. This is actually kind of cool because I'm recording. I paused it. Well, I paused it on one of the cameras. Hello, Wubby. Thanks for trying to ruin my video. Go away.
So you making?
Yeah.
That's two.
Yeah, I know, right? And today I'm gonna be making a salad. I already said that. But
What you trying to do?
sometimes I wish I could just bash a cup into his head. Gosh. Okay, so.
And that's like this is what's big brother.
Since I'm the worst big brother, don't ever get anything that I'm baking anymore. How about that?
You're not even baking.
So if this cooking video ends up being a little weird, that's because I'm like recording on 2 different cameras. I really don't feel like merging the 2 together. I'm not an editor, so. But let's get started with the baking video. So first off, stop trying to ruin my video.
I know.
Do you need a bowl?
Nope.
Okay. And now, yeah, cheese. I'm gonna crumble up our bread. And crumble up a little bit of our bread. I'm hungry right now. So I'm going to make this up a little bit of much.
Brandon.
Bye. Bye.